Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking ahead to 2025 and tackling something pretty crucial for Australian legal leaders.
Yeah, specifically why investing in AI agents might just be the smartest strategic move for law firms right now.
Exactly. We want to unpack how this tech can really give firms, a significant edge.
And it's needed. The legal landscape in Australia, well, it's demanding. Firms are really grappling with huge inquiry volumes and clients. They expect answers instantly. Plus, there's always that mountain of admin work dragging things down.
It's a lot. And think about this statistic. Over half of potential clients who actually contact a law firm never hear back.
It's staggering, isn't it? So many missed opportunities.
Just walking out the virtual door.
Yeah, and it points to a fundamental issue, really, scalability. How do you handle more clients, more work, without your costs just exploding?
Right.
And that's exactly where AI agents come in. They're sort of designed to tackle that core problem.
Okay, so our mission today is pretty straightforward. Let's clearly explain how AI agents, especially voice and chat ones, can hit these pain points head on and deliver, well, real tangible benefits for firms in Australia.
That's good.
All right, let's dive in then. Why should AI agents be high on the agenda for a legal leader planning for 2025?
Okay, well, first things first, client communication. That's the absolute front line for any law firm. Responsiveness is key.
No question. And when are people actually looking for lawyers? Turns out almost half, 44%, are searching outside normal business hours.
That's a huge chunk.
So how do AI agents stop those leads from just vanishing into the night?
Well, that's the beauty of it. AI agents offer 24/7 availability. Voice, chat, you name it. Imagine someone researching late at night. An AI chatbot on the firm's website can answer their basic questions right there and then. Instantly. Gather key details, maybe even figure out if they're a likely client. It's always working, even when the human team is asleep. We're already seeing Australian platforms like Setify using this for online intake.
Capturing those first crucial moments, regardless of the time. And it's not just website chat, is it? AI can field phone calls too.
Exactly. Think about missed calls you mentioned. Over half go unanswered in law firms.
It's incredible.
An AI virtual receptionist changes that. It answers every single call, sounds professional, finds out why they're calling, gets the details needed.
And books appointments?
And can even schedule consultations directly into the calendar.
Wow. Okay, so that immediately tackles lost leads and, frankly, offers a much better first impression for the client.
Definitely improve that initial experience.
All right, let's switch gears a bit. Internal operations. How do these agents help ease the admin burden inside the firm?
This is where the efficiency gains can be really, really significant. Think about initial client intake.
Okay.
Automating that. Instead of paralegal or admin staff spending, valuable time asking the basic questions.
Name, address, nature of the issue.
Precisely. The AI agent can gather all that before the client even talks to a lawyer.
Right, and that frees people up for the more complex stuff. We hear lawyers spend, something like 63% of their time on non-billable admin.
It's a huge amount of time.
Yeah.
So by letting AI handle those routine questions, the what are your hours or what do consultations cost type things, it lets the lawyers and the support staff really focus on the billable work, the complex legal strategy that actually needs their brain power.
And scheduling, too.
And scheduling, yes.
Okay.
Booking appointments, sending reminders automatically that cuts down on no-shows and all the admin faff around that.
So less time on repetitive stuff, more time on making money and doing actual legal work. Makes total sense.
Exactly.
Okay, what about finding new clients in the first place? Lead generation. How do AI agents fit in there?
They can be really smart about qualifying leads. You can program them to ask specific screening questions.
Oh, like a first filter.
A very efficient first filter. It means your human team isn't wasting time on inquiries that aren't a good fit.
Can you give an example? Like, how would that work?
Sure. Say someone contacts the firm about a commercial dispute. The AI chatbot could ask some initial questions. What's the dispute about? Who are the parties? What outcome are you hoping for?
Okay.
Based on those answers, the AI can make a pretty good assessment. Does this match our expertise? Is this a viable case for us? We've actually seen law firm chatbots hit like a 10% lead conversion rate.
10%? That's much better than just a standard website form, presumably.
Significantly better, yeah.
Yeah.
It actively engages them.
And the follow-up aspect must be huge, too. AI doesn't forget.
Absolutely. Consistent follow-up is key. An AI can send tailored info, answer more questions, nudge leads towards booking that consultation. It nurtures them automatically, making sure opportunities aren't just dropped.
Okay, so we got better client communication, smoother operations, smarter lead gen. Let's talk money. cost efficiency. How do AI agents help the bottom line?
Well, the most obvious way is staffing. AI agents can handle a massive volume of interactions without needing more people on payroll. You're essentially adding capacity, but without the costs of salaries, benefits, recruitment drives.
A virtual team member that doesn't need sick pay or holidays? That sounds pretty appealing, especially if you're a smaller firm.
It is. And many AI tools are subscription-based now, so it's not necessarily a massive upfront cost. Makes it accessible.
Right.
Plus, that consistency, always available, never off sick, reduces overheads and the need for, say, temp cover.
All these things together, the better service, the efficiency, must give firms a real competitive edge and happier clients.
Precisely. In today's world, clients want speed. They want convenience.
They expect it.
They really do. So offering that 24/7 availability, those quick answers, it massively improves the client experience. It can genuinely become what sets your firm apart.
And you mentioned data suggesting firms using online intake see more clients and revenue.
Yeah, there's evidence showing firms embracing these tools, often AI-powered, have seen really substantial growth, like 50% more clients and revenue in some cases. It's significant.
Wow. Okay, but a practical question, integration. Firms already have systems. How well do these AI tools play with others, like CRM or calendars?
That's a key design principle for most modern AI solutions. Interoperability.
Okay.
They're built to connect with the common tools, Google Calendar for scheduling, CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce for client data management. It's usually quite straightforward.
So you plug it into what you have?
Generally, yes.
Yeah.
And many providers offer custom integrations too, if a firm has unique workflows or legacy systems they need to connect to.
So it enhances rather than forces a total overhaul. That's good to hear. And look, this isn't just theory, right? Are Australian firms actually doing this and seeing results?
Oh, absolutely. There are real-world examples. We've seen Australian firms report things like a 35% increase in consultation bookings after bringing in an AI agent.
35%. That's substantial.
And saving significant admin time too, maybe 20+ hours a week.
20 hours a week freed up.
Yeah. And beyond just the numbers, you hear about the qualitative impact feeling more responsive, legal teams feeling less bogged down by routine tasks. It boosts morale, too.
It really sounds like AI agents offer this, well, powerful and practical way to tackle the big challenges Aussie law firms are facing, especially looking towards 2025.
I think so. It's a clear path to better client engagement through that constant availability and speed.
Right.
It drives efficiency by automating the repetitive stuff, freeing up your best people. It helps bring in more business through smarter lead handling.
And it's cost effective.
And it offers a cost-effective way to do all that, giving firms a genuine competitive advantage.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, what's the main takeaway for our listeners, the legal leaders tuning in?
I think the core message is this. If you're running an Australian law firm and planning for 2025, investing in AI agents isn't really a nice-to-have anymore. It's becoming, frankly, a strategic imperative.
A must-do, not a maybe.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. And a final thought then for you, our listener. Take a moment and think about your firm's day-to-day. Where are the friction points? Is it client communication? Is it the admin load?
Where is valuable time getting lost?
Exactly. Which tasks could be handled by an always-on intelligent assistant? Just imagine the potential that unlocks for growth, for better service, for, well, a smoother running practice. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.